Welcome to Global Opportunities Hub, your gateway to the world. Stop scrolling right now because this is the announcement you've been waiting for. Sweden has just opened its fully funded scholarships for 2026, and you're hearing it here first. Most students will see this information way too late, but you don't have to be one of them. Imagine this. You're studying in the heart of Europe, at a world-class university, without a single worry about tuition fees. You're taking classes in English, surrounded by innovation, beautiful landscapes, and a culture that values equality and progress. This isn't just a dream. This is Sweden, and this opportunity is real. So, what exactly are we talking about? The Swedish Institute Scholarships for Global Professionals. These are fully funded scholarships available for both bachelor's and master's degree programs. And the best part, they are open to students from a wide range of nationalities. We're talking about a world-class education in a country known for its groundbreaking technology, sustainability, and incredible global career prospects. This is your chance to join a network of future leaders. Now, let's break down what fully funded really means. First, your full tuition fees are completely covered. That alone can save you tens of thousands of euros. On top of that, you receive a monthly stipend to cover your living expenses. Think accommodation, food, and daily life. You also get a travel grant for your flight to Sweden. It's a comprehensive package designed to let you focus entirely on your studies and your future. Smart students plan ahead for opportunities like this. Others end up with regret. Let's talk about how you can apply. The process is managed through a central application portal called University Admissions. It's a two-step process. First, you apply for the master's programs you're interested in by the January 15th deadline. After that, a separate application window opens in February, specifically for the scholarship. Don't let this two-step process confuse you. It's designed to be straightforward. So, what documents do you need to prepare? Get these ready ahead of time. You'll need your academic transcripts and diplomas. You'll need proof of English language proficiency, usually with a test like TOEFL or IELTS. A crucial part of your application will be proof of work and leadership experience. This is very important for the Swedish Institute Scholarship. ULL also need to write a powerful motivation letter that explains why you want to study in Sweden and how it aligns with your career goals. Finally, you'll need a copy of your passport. Start gathering these documents now. Let's look at some of the top universities where you can use this scholarship. We're talking about prestigious institutions like Lund University, Uppsala University, KTH Royal Institute of Technology, and the University of Gothenburg. These universities are consistently ranked among the best in the world and offer a huge variety of programs taught entirely in English. From engineering and IT to social sciences and design. Your degree from a Swedish university will be respected worldwide and open doors you never thought possible. I know what you're thinking. The deadline, January 15th, 2026, seems so far away. But here's the secret. The application period opens much earlier. Usually, in October 2025, the students who succeed are the ones who start preparing now. They research programs, gather their documents, and craft their applications meticulously. Waiting until the last minute is a recipe for failure. Don't let procrastination steal this dream from you. So, why should you choose Sweden? It's more than just a free education. It's a country that champions innovation, equality, and sustainability. The learning style is focused on teamwork, critical thinking, and practical application skills that are highly valued in the global job market. You'll be learning in an open, international environment, building a network of friends and future colleagues from all over the planet. If studying in Europe is your ultimate goal, this is your sign. This is your moment. Don't let it slip away. If you're serious about this, I want you to comment Sweden below right now to let me know you're in. Like this video to save it for later, and share it with a friend who also dreams of studying abroad. Most importantly, follow our channel, Global Opportunities Hub, for daily scholarship updates and step-by-step guides. The year 2026 is coming faster than you think. The only question is, will you be ready when it arrives? Thanks for watching.